Hello model citizens. Today I'm back with a little short video, but this time it's more about the tools than the kits themselves. I've had a couple of kits which need to be rescribed. I won't show you the full process, but I'll show you two tools I've got for rescribing. We've got the flexible copper ruler or brass ruler by SBS Model. I'm not advertising it, it's just who they are, which from. And Tamiya's plastic scriber Mark II. So without any further ado, I'm going to just take it out of here now. Got a bit of a itchy nose, so it's still winter when I'm recording this, so a bit sniffy. So here's your flexible ruler. Why would you want a flexible one? Because you might ask yourself, well, if you're going around corners, you can get around corners easier, can you? If you're going around the bend, or if you got an edge which you want to keep to, like that, but straight. I can't see very well where the panels are, but I'm using this this Delta Dart kit part. We got lines here, so it's it's not a knife as such. It's more of a scraper than a knife. But that unscrews, and the little knife thing comes out. Scraper thing comes out. Pointy point. Keep your hands behind that, and find where the panel line is. And at this stage, you probably removed the previous panel line. But all it is a matter of getting that on that side on the bench, and gently pulling along without causing any trouble. It doesn't have to be deep. We're not trying to cut through it. Just a few gentle scrapes. I've got a new recessed panel line, which I can feel with my nail now. Slightly not where it should be, but I'm doing this for demonstration rather than accuracy for the actual build. But that's near enough for the video. And likewise, I'm using this to get the right angle to find where the line is, and without scraping it on myself, and just drag past. Or you can also carefully draw a line like that. But anyway, rescribing tools, very useful, better than just using the edge of a pin, edge of a blade or anything like that. Keep them hidden when you're not using them, so you haven't got a chance of cutting yourself. They are supposed to be sharp. And there's a spare blade section in this one. Again, I'm not sponsored by Tamiya or anybody. Just showing you what I've got new tools. It's a new tools day today. Coming up later in the month or next month, I've got 5 new kits which I bought, new to me. Some of them are fairly recent tools, some of them not. So stay tuned and you will see some more kit reviews before the weather gets warmer and I start actually building again, which will be fun, won't it? Well, hopefully a bit fun, down in point of view. What do you find is fun? And we'll get some building done. But until then, here's my little video today of the rescribing tools I bought recently to tide you over till next time. Bye for now. Ta-da. Thanks for watching.